Shout out to Rock Auto. I mean, not for nothing, they didn't respond to my email that I sent them, but I get it.
Thursday, look at Thursday. Ain't even Thursday, I'm rocking her mix.
We got some shock absorbers here from Monroe. Some, I don't know what that is, Dorman. Right brackets. We got some rotors and some brakes, man. So this is what we're doing right now on a Mazda 3 over there. All right, so currently I gotta move these cars. Oh, I like when Rock Auto give you the little sticker. I got like 8 or 9 of them. Hello. Use your eyes. Use your eyes. I know, use your eyes. Reverse lights. Thank you. Thank you. Good job. Drive safe. She was so mad. Yeah. She's driving mad aggressively. I'm like, chill. She's not even looking at me. And then once you put the reverse light, she looked at me.
I'm good right here, Bob?
There you go, bro.
Que no le guste, ¿verdad? Que no se lo proba. ¿Verdad? Este es de los otros. ¿Y cuándo va para Puerto Rico? Estaba allá. Estuve en enero. Enero hasta febrero. Me pasé por casi todo. Donde quiera, el garaje le puse, la marquesina tiene luz. La marquesina tiene 3 minutos.
You know, no job is easy, y'all. Now we got all these tools out here just to get this together. It's a lot of rust involved in this, but pretty simple, man. Taking out this strut absorber, shock absorber on the back, new rotors, new brakes. About an hour right now, an hour and a half on this one side. Just because we have to get the tools, go upstairs, come back down. But it's a total like probably 2 or 3 hour job. Chilling, bro. You know, planting, doing some car work, a little bit of everything. Yeah, exactly. Take care of them, bro. So we out here. Just working. Alright. I don't know. Just do the record. Old one, new one coming in. Monroe. Oh. Alright, let me get you the bushing right now. We can put it in. Bushing. Same thing right here. Right here. Right, nice. That's it, 2 screws, that's it?
Yeah.
The fuck? So what is this? Extra one? One extra?
No, you're supposed to come in 3. Okay, give me that. Give me everything.
Why would it need 3? Why needs 3?
Use it 2 nuts over here.
Yeah, and one for the top.
And one for the top.
Unless you gotta use the old one.
It's supposed to come in 3.
Unless you gotta use the old one. But not on the top.
You got an extra someplace.
Take that one out though. Take it out right now. Here, use this one. For the one side, y'all. See? Shock absorber in. Right? That's the Monroe shock absorber right there.
Okay, give me the bracket.
Brakes right now, so right side. Right? You got the brakes right now. Nah.
Huh?
I come with the caliber. Yeah. So we got new brakes, new brake pads, and new brake rotors on this joint. And I was telling the customer, I was like, all this rust in that. First question I asked him was, you live by the water? And he said he lives on Shore Parkway, which is 2 blocks away from Coney Island Beach. So that explains all the rust in
Okay,
water.
where's the screw over here?
All right, here. These.
No, not that one. The other.
But don't forget to like, subscribe, and comment. I appreciate y'all. Never easy. It's never easy.
No, a car like that.
Yeah, nah.
I made it, long time. But this one, you give a friend that, but it's supposed to go inside.
Yeah, but it's not the first time. It's happened in multiple cars like this. Same exact brake caliber. I don't know why is it like that.